this video, I am going to show you all how to make these cute little gift baskets using freebies that you receive in the mail. So stick around for that. The first items that I have here are the decorative shred bags. And so I just got like some colors that stand out, pink and yellow. Also here is a gift ribbon. And these are the different types. I have like purple, yellow, blue, and pink. And I have some scotch tape here. This is great for like holding things together inside the basket. And of course I have 2 of these gift wrap bags. And I decided to get 2 different kinds just in case, just to see how they work. And of course, I have 2 baskets here. Now you can get the traditional woven baskets, but this is just something that I wanted to do. And of course, you can just switch it up any way that you like. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I set this up. So the first thing that I did was I poured the decorative shreds into the basket. So I have a lot of the yellow ones that I used here. And now I'm going to start placing the items into the basket. Now you are going to take the bag. I've already cut the top because it was just too long, and I'm going to take it, the basket, place it inside. I basically like to use a rubber band keep it concealed. Then I am going to take my ribbons so it's not like, and I'm not the queen of tying bows, but you guys get the point. Voila. Okay guys, now it's time to get into the freebies. The first item I have here is People magazine. Up next is an item from Social Nature. And I received a sample pack of their Smarty Pants Daily Multi-Supplement for dogs. And last but certainly not least is a win from Bonita and Rahami. And it says, Jennifer, thank you for answering our giveaway. Hope you enjoy them. Also, enjoy the Cover RX Contour Kit. So I'm going to show you all the items that I won. This one is the Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination by It. The next one is the Heavenly Skin brush. Yeah, it's the Heavenly Skin Bye Bye Pores brush. The next one is an eyeliner. It is a liner shadow by Bare Minerals. The next one is the It Bye Bye Pores Illumination Finish Airbrush Press Powder. These are some really, really good wins. I'm so excited about it. And of course, like I said before, it is the Cover FX. I said RX last time, but it's the Cover FX Contour Kit. And here it is, and it has the different shades on the inside. And I am so excited about winning this. I rarely ever win things from Instagram, so it was great to get this surprise win. Well guys, there you have it. A quick and easy way to make some gift baskets for family and friends using your freebie. And if you like this and would like to see more DIY videos on my channel, then go ahead and leave a comment down below and give it a thumbs up on this video. I would really appreciate it. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next Wednesday with more freebies and wins and goodies. So guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.